Are you like me? Have you been struggling getting great audio for your videos? Well, today I'm going to show you this amazing AI tool that's going to fix all your problems. Hi guys, Colin here. For so long, I have had so many troubles trying to get good quality audio. Until now. I'm going to show you how to take audio like this.
Colin, where is my coffee?
I'll just go to the shop and get you your coffee now. And turn it into audio like this with just one click of a button.
Colin, where is my coffee?
I'll just go to the shop and get you your coffee now. All right, the first step is we need to export an audio file into a WAV form or MP4 file. I prefer to use WAV, but both will work. Once exported, head over to Adobe podcast page. It's completely free. You don't need an Adobe subscription to use it. Then just drop and drag your audio file into the box. Then with one click of the button, you're going to get great audio. So depending on how big your file is will determine how long it's going to take to process it. So now the AI is magically enhancing your audio sound by removing all the background noise and enhancing your voice. I will say, for the best results that you possibly want to get, try and get the best audio that you can get. I have tried many different files and the AI does about 80% really, really good. And then the other 20%, I don't even know what it's thinking. It's taken words out. It's put words in where there's no sound whatsoever. So you got to make sure you try and do the best that you can to give it the best shot that it can. And remember, it's AI. So you can listen to the audio footage first before you download it. So listen to the whole thing to make sure that that's what you want. Then the last thing to do is download it and drop it into your timeline. Mute your original audio track, sit back, watch, and listen to how great it is. How easy was that? It's amazing. Guys, if you have found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. I have some amazing videos coming up later on that you don't want to miss out on. Until next time, guys, I'm Colin from Colin, out.